Hello again. I'm testing the setup for my course that I'll be giving on Monday morning at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. It's going to be getting started with Selenium and Python. I will be walking through how to get started with your first test. I won't go through the Python environment setup, so I expect you to have Python installed and ready to go. And then we'll just pip install Selenium and go through creating our first Selenium test, launching the browser, navigating to URLs, finding elements and interacting with them, clicking, typing, so forth. Verifying steps, verify that some element is present, that it contains text. Handling things like weight strategy, different locators, ID, CSS selectors, XPath, and so forth. And then we'll touch briefly on some others subjects as well as time permits. So I look forward to seeing you there, and hopefully this will be a useful training video for those of you who want an introduction to Python with Selenium. And we'll do some Q&A afterwards if you run into issues while we're going through. We can go through that, and I can also schedule personal follow-up sessions if you want to go into more detail, and then we'll talk about next steps for a future session. All right, thank you. Bye.